National Electrical Code Section 110.14 addresses connections between dissimilar metals. Specifically, it states that aluminum and copper conductors should not be directly connected together unless the connection is listed for that purpose. In the situation involving closed-end crimp connectors, if the connector has an aluminum band, it is generally not listed for use on tinned copper wire. Therefore, using an aluminum band closed-end crimp connector on tinned copper wire inside a light fixture is not allowed by National Electrical Code Section 110.14. The primary reason for this restriction lies in the different coefficients of thermal expansion between aluminum and copper. This means that when aluminum and copper are connected directly, and the connection is subjected to temperature changes, the two metals will expand and contract at different rates. This differential expansion and contraction can lead to a loose connection over time. A loose electrical connection presents several hazards. Firstly, it can cause overheating at the point of connection due to increased resistance. Secondly, this overheating can lead to arcing, which is the flow of electrical current through the air between the conductors. Thirdly, both overheating and arcing significantly increase the risk of electrical fires. To ensure compliance with National Electrical Code Section 110.14 and to maintain electrical safety, there are several acceptable options for connecting aluminum and copper wires. One option is to use copper to aluminum connectors. These connectors are specifically designed and listed for joining aluminum and copper conductors. They are engineered to compensate for the differences in thermal expansion and prevent corrosion. Another option involves pigtailing. This technique involves firstly connecting the aluminum wire to a copper pigtail using a copper to aluminum connector. Secondly, connecting the copper pigtail to the tinned copper wire. This method ensures that the direct connection is between compatible metals. Bolted connections can also be made between aluminum and copper conductors. In this case, it is essential to use an antioxidant paste to prevent corrosion at the connection point. The antioxidant paste helps to maintain a good electrical connection and minimize the risk of problems. It is important to always consult the connector manufacturer's instructions and the National Electrical Code for specific requirements and guidelines related to connecting aluminum and copper conductors in any electrical system. Proper installation and the use of listed components are crucial for ensuring safe and reliable electrical connections. Always prioritize safety and adherence to established electrical codes.